Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Yes, my eyes are slowly getting better, but still red. So I am sorry if I look like a monster right now. So I do apologize. Did a little reaction. I don't know what happened, but I got some special cream to put there. And anyways, let's not talk about that. But welcome to the new people. Um, if it's the first time for yourself here, make sure to smash the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate notification, and yeah, let's go. So basically we're going to be trading live. So if you have any questions, charts you want to review, you send your chart my way and I'll take a look at it. And yeah, so let's get started and let me know as you come in. Make sure to smash the like button. We are building back the audience after a huge break. So yeah, so any help is very appreciated. And yeah, so let's not wait and jump into it. Let's bring the chart. Boom. All right. That should do it. Before we move ahead, let's just make sure. Tyron, yo, is that time again? Yeah, man. Let's go. Let's make it happen. And guys, as you come in, also let me know where you're from. Let me know where you're from. Just curious. Um, Cool, man. So let's jump into it. This trade is still active. I took that trade yesterday night. Um, yeah, took this trade yesterday night on based on that 1 hour engulfing. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for it to happen. Right now, I'm still looking good. 1 hour is still bullish. 30 minute is still bullish at the moment. Did we? 30 minute just kind of flipped bearish, but 4 hour 4 are still bullish, and the reason why is because we didn't broke that low. Daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, so looking good, looking good. All right, so anyways, let's talk. Let's not talk about that. I got my chart in front of me. Ooh, that's this screen is kind of blurry. Okay, it's better now. Okay, so now let's talk about GJ. Let's see what we got for GJ. So GJ weekly is still bullish. GG weekly is still bullish. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is still bullish. I was waiting for a pullback inside the day golden zone. Kind of just barely happened there. But yeah, GG has been super rangy. I mean, look at this 4 hour time frame. It's just like crazy nasty. Like, boom. Look at this. This is a red zone. This is like the dog shit area. You don't want to be trading in this. It's just like nasty. So you want to make sure you get out of there either to the downside, to the upside. But so far, the weekly, the daily are bullish. The 4 hour is, wait a second. Boom. The 4 hour is bearish. Um, yeah, so the 4 hour is bearish, but rangy. So nothing to do there. Nothing. Like even for scalp, I will not scalp GG in this area. Just like nasty. Very nasty. So GJ, let's flush it. Bye bye GJ. And that's too bad because it's one of my favorite pair to trade. But I'm not gonna force a trade in that area. And that's often what the mistake that traders does. They kind of force a trade inside a range. It's just like if you want to play the range, you gotta understand that you're playing with fire. So I'm not gonna do that. And again, guys, if you have any question, let me know. Why I don't see the comments here? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Let's see here. Well, Tyron's from South Africa. Oh, welcome, man. Jeez, nice, very nice. All right, so let's jump into Euro NZD. This is my second biggest RR that it yesterday at 8 to 1. I was pretty excited. I'm gonna break that down on Thursday night, Forex Talk Over Beer. So I'm not gonna do that today, but you definitely want to make sure you tune in because this trade was just perfection. Perfection. So now for continuation of this trade, yeah, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait because now we just created a higher high. Now we might have a little pullback. So I don't know. We'll see. I mean, for intraday, I can wait for the 4 hour to pull back. Um, Somewhere around this area. Give me one sec, guys. Yes, let's see. Let's see. Give me one sec here. All right. Let's keep going. So yeah, for intraday, maybe a little pullback, but I don't know. The trade is done, so I'm not gonna force anything here. Let's talk about Euro GBP. That's one that I really wanted to take, but so far I didn't add any entry. So weekly is bullish. Daily is after creating that low. So boom, 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 boom. Daily is still bearish at the moment. But once we're going to be breaking this high, we're going to flip bullish. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the 4 hour. 4 hour look good, looking bullish. But at this stage, I mean, the trade was kind of right here, but it was a little early because for me, the daily was still bearish. So that's why I didn't jump into it. Kind of tricky. So let's move this down over here. Euro NZD already happened, so I'm going to move it down. AUD USD. Okay, so this is one I've been watching since last week. So here's the weekly time frame. If you look, we are still bearish. So we are still bearish. Now I was waiting to break this area, which is the weekly right here. The weekly resistance. We kind of break it now, and we did the retest. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish. All right, great. Daily is bearish, but it was super rangy. So 4 hour was rangy. So I was like, all right, so let's wait for the 4 hour to flip bearish. I mean, sorry. Because what happened is the 4 hour was bearish, and here we flip bullish, still bullish, still bullish. Bam. All right, we went bearish and bullish again. So like shit. And now we are bearish. So now let's wait for this pullback here, retest, continue down, which should be around the golden zone also. Oh, I mean, I can draw my fib because I don't have a bullish engulfing. Not a bullish engulfing, but just a bullish candle. But let's say that the candle will close around there. Yeah, it would be pretty much around it. So whatever. So just gonna wait for this pullback now because now we got a big drop. I don't want to be selling a low, right? So I'm gonna wait for the pullback and enter that trade. So this is one that I'm really actively watching right now. Just need to pull back now. So this one, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. NZD CAD. Let's talk about NZD CAD. Well, NZD CAD is a trade I'm in right now. Yeah, I'm at 2 pips profit right now. So nothing exciting. Yeah. And the reason why I took it, really simple, quite simple. With my chart here. By the way, guys, if you have any question, don't be shy. Tell me where you're from as you come in, and don't make sure to smash that like button. All right, I need the help for everyone. We need to build back the audience here. Like I said, we used to have hundreds of people, sometimes like 1,000 people. If you watch the most the live stream that we had the most people, I think we had like 1,000 something. But took a huge break. So let's build back the audience. So basically, yeah. So now we had a weekly bullish, and I was waiting for either one of those three rejection. So we kind of have that first rejection out of the 382 fib level, which is also a pretty good weekly area of interest. So if you look here, I don't like to draw like too many zones on my chart because I want to keep it clear. But if you see here, let me put this. All right, so pretty nice area here. That was a support resistance. In the past also support, support, support. So yeah, so pretty good area of interest right here, and we kind of rejected on the weekly. So now I went on the daily time frame. All right, I went on the daily time frame and I waited for the daily to flip bullish. So basically, um, so we were bearish and now bullish, right? So waited for the retest here and delete this. Went on the lower time frame. 4 hour was already bullish because this is our high, this is our low. It was already bullish and I waited for the pullback inside that golden zone right here on a 4 hour time frame and waited for the switch of structure on the 30-minute or 1 hour. Was it a 1 hour? 1 hour. Yeah. So 1 hour. So we were bearish. Boom, boom. We went inside that golden zone, flipping bullish, breaking right here, breaking this, making a new high, retest here. Let me put it bigger. So let me do this here. So we finally broke above, right? Waited for the retest candle, engulfing candle, boom, took the trade, right? So quite simple. Now I'm just waiting. NZD USD. NZD USD, baby. All right, so NZD USD, the weekly is, by the way, guys, don't forget, if you have any question, let me know. And smash that like button, please. All right, so let's see here. So NZD USD was bearish. You know, we broke that low, so I was waiting for the retest here. The daily is bearish. We had that retest, like I said, and now I'm just waiting for the H4 to flip bearish. And the reason why is because we had H4 turning bullish to have the pullback, right? And here we're still bullish because we didn't broke that low right here, right? So we're still bullish at a moment. And if you can tell, we didn't broke that low, so we're still bullish. But once we're going to be breaking under here and closing there, this is where it might get interesting. I'm going to wait for the retest here and to continue down. So yeah, so you see, I marked this down like I think it was last week. So I'm still waiting for that. I'm actually going to place a new alert because my alert got triggered. H4 flipping bearish. Bam. All right. E8. Yeah, that's too bad, man, because this trade, it would be pretty nice. I was waiting for this pullback right here, but I didn't add an entry. So we can talk about like how I could be in that trade, but let's keep that for if we have some extra time. Let's remove this now. This is done. Euro GPY. Let's see. So Euro GPY was waiting for the retest here of this daily area of interest. If you look here, because we are bullish on a weekly, right? Daily is bullish. I was waiting for the retest here, right here, to continue up. If you look here, we had it. We had the retest. But at this stage, yeah, this stage is kind of too late now. Just wait a second. This is our H4 high, H4 low, H4 high, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right, so this is the low. So here we flip bearish. Okay, so here we're bearish on the 30-minute. 1 hour is bearish. Okay, okay, okay. 4 hour is still bullish. Okay. So yeah, Euro GPY looked like a mess, so not gonna take it. Um yeah, Euro NZD, this is done. Euro GBP, we talked about it. Let's see. AUD CHF. Do we have anything here? Whoa. Damn, son. Okay. Okay. So I was waiting for that break and retest, and it kind of retest-ish, but closed back above and just pure melt. So I didn't add any entry here. That sucks. That sucks. Boom. Let's delete that. And yeah. So basically now we're creating a low. So you see we're breaking that low, so we're creating a lower low. Okay. Okay. This is a pretty strong area of interest on the weekly. So let's identify that. Um, so now at this stage, what I would be waiting for this would be like basically break retest to continue down. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that. Maybe at the end of the week or next week. ADGPY weekly rangy bill. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like that one. You see that's the cool thing when you actually looking at different pairs for swing, because I know I'm repeating myself for people who've been following me for a while, but I think for scalp and intraday, you should focus on a 1 to 2 pair and 1 to 2 trade a day. Um, but for swing, you have no choice to look at different pair, because if you're only focusing on one pair, you're gonna force a trade or take a trade on a range, or because sometimes you can wait like for a pair to play out, you can wait sometimes for many weeks. So I mean, can you imagine if you only trade one pair? It doesn't make sense. So that's why now I'm looking at more pair for the swing. All right, so here, CAD GPY, we got exactly what I was waiting for. We got the break here. I'm waiting for the retest of this area. Okay, okay. Let's see on the daily. Daily look bullish. Yes, it is. So we finally get our retest here. Okay, that's interesting. 4 hour. How is the 4 hour? So 4 hour was bullish here. Bearish, bearish, bullish. We're still bullish. All right, so 4 hours bullish. Looks like we create a potential higher low here. Okay, okay, okay. Let's take a look at a 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. So I need the 1 hour, the 30-minute to flip bullish here to take this trade. So basically, for now, I would need the 1 hour to close above here. So let's mark something here. Alert. H1 bullish. And we're going to move that up the rank here. Boom. That one is done. Okay. Let's see. AUDGPY. So AUDGPY weekly is, hold on, wait a second. Boom, boom. We were bullish. And if we do close this weekly under here, we're gonna flip bearish. So I'm gonna have to wait until next week for this to take it to the downside. So not now. All right. So USD CAD. Let's see. USD CAD looked like a mess. Yeah, I was waiting for a pullback here, but this never happened. My black line is my 382, so this is basically what I'm waiting for. It's either, it's either this or either this. This was perfect. God damn. All right, so let's remove this. Let's remove this. This. All right, so let's start from scratch here. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly on GA is bearish. So we are bearish here. Let's see. Here, this was a low. Here, there was a lower low. Here, we broke. All right, so here we broke the safety net. We kind of broke. We did close above here. So, all right, so we flipped bullish here. Okay. So the weekly flip bullish. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. Yes. 2 hours bullish. 30-minute is bullish. All right, so everything is bullish. All right. Let's take a look now. Let's go reset on the weekly. Let's find an area of interest here. We don't have much on the weekly. Let's take a look on the daily if we can find something. So the daily, yes, daily we have this area. Yeah, this area is pretty valid. So let's see if we can have a retest of this area to continue up, or maybe, well, we don't have a resistance yet, so I cannot place my fib. Let's take a look on a 4 hour. So 4 hour is bullish also. So we're gonna need to wait for a pullback here, but GA kind of look interesting in probably a day or two. Yeah. Okay. We did that one. You did GPY. We did it. USD CAD. Yes, the USD CAD still waiting for that. Oops, let's bring the daily. Oh, we actually just talked about that one. Sorry. USD GPY waiting for this retest here, but nothing so far. AUD CAD. AUD CAD waiting for the retest here. Daily is, we finally breaking under here. Okay, so this is new. So this might become interesting pretty soon. So let's put it up here. And I marked this like a couple days ago. You see that this is why I'm telling you, you can only trade one pair swing trading. Just doesn't make sense. GU. Ugh. Look at this daily time frame. That's terrible. Terrible. Euro USD. Okay, let's take a look. Man, I'm still waiting for that huge pullback on Euro USD. Yeah, this one, if this one hit over there in this area, this one will be the same kind of setup that I had on my two big trades. One big trade from last week and one this week. Same kind of idea. So hopefully we can reach there. I'm gonna be super patient. This look like, because this is the weekly time frame, right? So So far it took like 6 weeks now that I'm waiting for the pullback. But it took like 11 weeks to create a high. So I can expect like at least like 8, 9 weeks before coming back down, for that area. So I'm gonna keep my alertness placed. I'm just waiting. GBPCHF. Yeah. No, this doesn't have much right now. Weekly, hold on, wait a second. Weekly is trending down now. We created that low, we got to pull back, okay. It is bullish at the moment, so actually we just broke under here, so we're bearish, all right. So 4 hour bearish, but super rangy. I think this area is super important. So we finally broke, retest many times. I think if we get this 4 hour engulfing, it might be interesting. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. Yeah, we need to get out of that range. Like, we need to get out of that range. We need to break and retest under here. So you know what? This might be interesting. So gonna bring it up there. Yo, my eyes are killing me, guys. Killing me. Let's see if we have any question or Munir, how you doing, buddy? Zarif, meow, meow. Oh, that's been a while. That's been a while. That's been a while, Zarif. How you doing, buddy? Funny. All right, so let's see. And guys, if you have any question, let me know. And let me know where you're guys from as you come in. Make sure to smash that like button, guys. Don't forget. Need your help here. All right, so let's see. Where were we? We were at we did Euro USD, right? Did we? Hold on, wait a second. Let me take a look at the weekly. Oh yeah, that's the one I'm waiting. Okay. Let's talk about gold. Gold, man, I might be taking my first swing trade on gold. I don't know yet because I'm waiting for that retest for like 4 weeks. Now, waiting on that daily to flip bullish, which we did. All right, so we finally flip bullish. Now, waiting for the retest of this area, but look like we're coming under now. So I don't know. But let's take a look at the daily here. The daily fib. Daily fib should give us an area somewhere around here. So it all depends. If we have a nice pullback and support form in that golden zone, might be interesting also. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, let's see that fib level. All right, so we are in that 4 hour golden zone. Now we're reaching the safety net, so we'll see. I need to see a rejection from this area. Waiting for that. Just waiting for that. So gold might be interesting. Now let's talk about scalp idea for gold. So let's delete that for 1 sec. Actually, let's just delete that here. Boom. All right, so now let's talk about scalp opportunity for gold. So we said the daily here is bearish, right? So I mean, just that daily candle, not the daily trend, because the daily trend is bullish, but the day candle is bearish. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay. Here we're reaching this area here. It seems to be have problems. So yeah, I would wait. I would definitely wait and see if we can reject this area. Here we came down, we filled that wick here to the left. Now we're hitting support major area. So look like we might reject from this. But right now, even for scalp, I would not take anything because there's no clear indication of where we're going right now. So yeah. So what time is it now? 8:14. Let's go back to GJ. So GJ 1 hour did close bullish, right? What we're inside that super huge range on 4 hour, on 1 hour and 4 hour, which is the same, right? Just look at this range. Um, so, um, how many trades are you taking daily when you scalp? When I scalp, two trade, two, 1 2 2 or 3 trades a day. That's super hard for a Frenchie to say, but maximum three. But these days, mostly like 1 or 2. Yeah, 1 or 2 trades. I would say now. Sharing idea on GJ. I mean, there's nothing to do on GJ right now. Just like it's a pure mess. Like, look at this. It's just like, who wants to, like, if you want, if you feel like giving away your money, yes, you can. I'm personally not interested in trading that range. Not interested. I want to get out of that box first, and after that, I'm going to be looking at trades. But I'm still thinking that we're going to hit the daily golden zone and start rejecting to the upside. If you look at the daily here, it's more clear. So that's why I kind of like the higher time frame. It gives you a better idea. So yeah, we're looking to that pullback here and to continue up to the upside. If you look left, we got super clean traffic. We got this wick to fill. So yeah, I mean, eventually, I think it's going to be nice, but right now we're stuck in that range, and I'm not interested. Hopefully that makes sense. Martis, what's up? Hello, Sasha in the pack. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. We got that speech coming up. I think it's at 8:30, if I'm not wrong. Is it? Oh no, at 10. Oh shit. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's me remove this. All right, cool. Perfect. So now let's go back to GN. All right, so we were right here at GN. So for GN, we are bullish here. Boom, boom. All right, GN is nasty. Look at this. This is the weekly time frame. I mean, except for that fake out to the upside. I mean, look at that stupid range on the weekly. On the weekly time frame. That's from like April 22. Like, that's crazy, you know? So no wonder why GN is like down there. Not interested. NZD same bullshit. Look at this. Same bullshit. Just waiting for a break, either to the upside or the downside, but same bullshit. Not touching that. All right. So I think we got some nice ideas. So let's recap. Here we got 80 USD. And the 4 is nicely flipping bearish. So now I'm waiting. I need to place an alert here. Damn. H4. Oops. What did I do? H4 retest. Perfect. All right, so this should be interesting. Cat GPY is interesting. right. We need the 4R to flip bullish. G might be interesting also. 80 CAD. All right. Yeah, we got some great ideas here. So now I just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. Here, into the CAD to trade I'm in right now, 7.7 pips profit so far, which is taking forever. It went to it went in, how many pips was it? This is my entry. Went to like 30 pips profit and pull back. So, oh well. Oh well. Any questions, guys? Let me know. Charts, you want to look. Pairs, you want to look. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Um, yeah, like I said, GJ, nothing to do. Like even scalp wise, like on the 30-minute, like what do you want to do here? Like there's nothing. 4 hours, nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. So, all right. Entity cat, let's go. 11 pips, let's go, baby. Yeah, I wish I can take a trade here with you guys, but there's nothing now. There's nothing, even like scalp wise, you know. Let's take a look at gold for 1 sec here. Yeah. Right now we are at the safety net pretty much on the 4 hour. Yeah. So I need to see if we're going to reject this area or not, which is also the retest of previous area. If you look here, previous resistance that was broken. So we'll see. We'll see how gold react to this level. But we got some chairman speaking, so this should move gold. Should bring back gold over here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin for 1 sec. Yo, this Bitcoin has been all right. So we kind of pull up here. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to hit 12,000. Still got that bet going on. I think we still can reach 12,000. The weekly is now bullish though. We did retest this 25,500 level, which was super strong. And now we look like we're going to the upside. God damn it. Oh well. Solana on the other end is wait, what? Did I miss that? Oh no, okay, that's my old chart. I was like, what the fuck? That's the FTX chart. I keep it because I marked everywhere where I bought, you know, so that's why I'm keeping that chart. But here's the active chart. I was like, what the fuck? $8? I need to buy some more. Here we go. All right, cool. So it took a while, but look like Solana is coming back up also. Let's see here. The data is bullish. All right, all right. We need to break the $28 mark. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Let's go back to entity CAD. See what's going on. Let's see what's going on entity CAD since I'm in that trade. Do you guys have any question? Give me some pair to look at or chart to review. I'm here for you guys. The only reason why I'm doing those streams is to help you guys. I don't need attention. I don't need anything. I'm doing that for you guys. If I can help one person, I'm happy. So let me know if this stream helped you and how. That'll be very appreciated. Don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done yet. And don't miss Thursday night. Thursday night we're gonna break down my second biggest RR, which is right here. Boom. This was amazing. Yeah, this trade was amazing. So honey, I just joined. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Where you from? And how long you've been trading? Curious. Yeah, guys, girls, let me know where you're from, how long you've been trading. Are you scalping, swing trading? Let me know. Curious. And send me your favorite pair. What's your favorite pair? Oh, did I just drop water? Yes, I did. Let's go. Where is my... Oh, Izzy cat. Man, every time this thing start to pull up, reject. Um, Richard, AUD USD. Yeah, AUD USD is pretty dope. Do you know Charlene? Charlene is a friend, and she's mostly scalping AUD USD. I love AUD USD too. There are some good volumes in it. That's my next one to take some swing trade on it. If we can have this pullback, should be good. But scalp wise, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Well, right now we're just like melting, right? So we need whatever. If you're scalping or swing trading, you need that pullback. Now you need that pullback. Yeah. Look at this 1 hour per melt. So now you definitely want that pullback. Oops. Yeah, I would wait for a pullback, like somewhere around the 382 sorry, for the golden zone and to take it down. But right now I just like nothing. You know, most of the time, scalping, swing trading, it look a lot like the same. It's just like time frame difference. Just depends on the time frame you're gonna execute. Let's see here. Honey, you've been trading for about 3 years now, off and on. My favorite pair is Euro USD. Gives great clean plays. Yeah, true. There's a lot of volume, but it's weird because it's one of the pair that I hate the most. Um, in all honesty, and the reason why is because I think it's so manipulated by news. Because those are two majors, right? So you got the euro and you got the USD. So yes, you can get a lot of volumes, but so manipulated by news sometimes just like drive me nuts. But yes, now before scalp, like when I was only scalping, I was never looking at euro USD. In all honesty, but now these days for swing, yes, I got some setups on euro USDs. Now it's down there because I mean I don't find there's anything at the moment, but yeah. So but yeah, I feel you. I understand what you mean. 6 years still not profitable. So now, when it's been 6 years, not profitable, you need to ask yourself, okay, so what am I doing? Do I have a trading plan? Okay, do I have a trading plan? Am I respecting it? How many trades am I taking? Because most of the time, it's always the same mistake. It's either over trading, revenge trading, that kind of stuff, not following a plan. So it's mostly always the same reason. So you gotta make sure in what kind of coach did you had or you have, is he helping you? Do you have like something solid? Because it's really, really tough. Like this trading thing is not easy, is not easy. It's like trying to go to the Olympics without a coach. Try that, by yourself. Good luck. I mean, I'm not saying it's impossible, but I mean, the odds are not on your favor for sure. But if you're going with someone as a coach that had success before and know how to explain stuff and there to help you out, it's so much easier and simple, So, um, oh, honestly, you were commenting on what I was saying. Yeah, sometimes, well, agreed. Yeah, that's Euro USD. It's just like sometimes just like it's like USD CAD, two majors. So yeah. Um, let's see here. Just want to see something very quickly, guys. Again, smash the like button as you come in. Thank you very much for joining. It's a comeback, so we're starting slowly to build back the audience. Like I said, we had like hundreds of people here, sometimes thousands. If you look at my most views, I think there was like thousand something. Um, but yeah, took a huge break during summer, and since then, I mean, the algorithm doesn't push. So yeah, need to build back. So I'm not just starting again. Yeah, I'm not. I don't really care in all honesty, but of course, always the thing when there's more people, there's more questions, so there's more interaction. Gets it a little bit more interesting sometimes. But sometimes it's better to have a smaller crowd. It's more private, you can spend more time with some people. So yeah. If I can help, like I said before, if I can help one person, I did my job. I mean, I used to be streaming like 4 days a week. Almost five, actually five with the Forex Talk Over Beer. I was streaming 5 days a week almost. No, 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 sorry. What am I saying? Four. Yeah, 4 days a week. Yeah, I was streaming 4 days a week. Now it's just like I don't want to be streaming 4 days a week. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy. So now I'm just focusing on Tuesday morning live trading and Forex Talk Over Beer on Thursday night. Yeah, don't look at the banner. I need to change the banner. The banner is wrong. So now the Forex Talk Over Beer is going to be on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm still debating if I'm going to do 6 or 7 p.m. But watch my Instagram. I'm going to let you guys, Last time we did 7. In the time prior to that, we did 6. I'm doing a test to see like if is 6 better time for people or 7. Trying to find out like what's better, but I didn't find out yet. Man, I wish we can have something going on here, but GJ is not helping. Like usually, like I am able to take a scalp with you guys with GJ, but now it's just like I don't want to be trading that red zone. It's just like it's shit. Like yes, there's room because I mean this is like what a 80, almost like a 90 pip range. There's room in there. Don't get me wrong, but I mean doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. I mean, sometimes like the NFP week is always like kind of fucked up sometimes. So I'm being extra cautious. So yeah, yeah, we read that. All right, cool. We are up to date in the comments. We are up to date in the comments. What the fuck? Oh man, I forgot to send the Zoom link to my students. Sheesh. Oops. Oh well. Hopefully they excuse me. Um yeah. By the way, guys, if you want to use a nice broker, and yeah, please stop. Okay, guys, I don't know. Some of you is gonna listen to this. I don't know, but please stop DMing me about TED. I have no clue what happened with this brokerage. I'm not on this brokerage. I never was. It just I was with Black Bull and it was good. I'm also with another bullshit broker that I'm not gonna mention because most of my capital are stuck in there. But yeah, Black Bull, I can't wait to transfer my money to those guys. Because since day one, I always had like a smaller account with them, and always went well. Always went well, super good. So if you guys want to use Black Bull, amazing. But don't ask me about TED brokerage. I know what's going on. I mean, I read some stuff. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's not. I have no clue. I got some people messaging me. They lost thousands of dollars. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Call him, text him. I have no fucking clue. So I'm not gonna mention anything because I don't know. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm trying to find the information here on Black Bull. Give me one sec here. Right here. I got a. There's a link in the description that um, you can use, and they're gonna move you to the how do you call it? The Prime account. Yeah, the Prime account, which was the better spread. Yeah. If you're from Canada, you can actually send deposit by e-transfer, which is Interact. Super easy, super easy. Great customer service. Yeah, amazing guys, amazing. So, but yeah, please stop DMing me about Ted. Um, I have no clue, or I just learned his real name was Friedrich with an I, Frierick, which is I've never seen written like that, but that doesn't matter. Uh, I just learned like all this time I didn't know Ted was not his real name, so that just give you an idea. Like I don't know the guy. Yes, I was with him on the stream with Raja, but I mean, like yeah, I have no clue. Let's see. Do we have any more questions, guys? Charts you want to review? Send me some pair to review charts. If you did your charts, you're marking, you want to make sure you're okay, send it my way. I can take a look at it for you if you want. Let's see here. Stefan, how are you doing? Gold is in a free fall, waiting for pullback to create resistance. Correct. Yeah, this is what I'm waiting for also. Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting that. And if you've been following the stream, if you go watch the stream from last week, actually more than that. But if you look here, yeah, I think it was last week. Wait a second. Here. Was it? No, sorry. It was like 3, 4 weeks ago. Like when we had this doji candle, that was on the week of January. So if you go watch my stream there, I actually called it. I said we need to come down to this area, retest previous structure that was broken to continue to the upside. I literally said that. I'm not making this up. I mark it down. This is why I marked this box there, and I've been waiting for what 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. I waited 4 weeks for that retest. Now we got a nice weekly engulfing candle, so look like we might be able to continue to the upside. But now I need the daily to flip bullish, which we just did. So now we broke structure, right? So we broke structure. Now we're bullish on the daily, which is amazing. So now we got the weekly, the daily in sync. So now the 4 hour is also bullish, but now we're waiting for a clear sign of rejection to continue to the upside. So I need this. So this is the potential high or low. This where I'm going to be waiting for the 30-minute to flip bullish. Yeah, I'm gonna waiting for either a 30-minute or the 1 hour to flip bullish to take that trade. And that would be, if I do take this trade, that would be my first swing on gold. And I never was excited about taking a trade on gold, honestly. I was like, nah, I'm never gonna be swinging gold because gold is way too crazy. So I'm not gonna do it. But look like I might experience it. I'm gonna go lower risk. Because that's gonna be my first one. I don't want to go crazy. But yeah, probably gonna be using 1% instead of like a 2 or 3, something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I need the 30 minute to flip. But yeah, you're correct, Stefan. Like right now, it's just like where do you want to enter? There's no place to enter here. It's like GJ playing a range. There's no fucking place I want to take that trade. Look at this shit. You know. So yeah. So nothing super exciting today. Still waiting for some retest on some pairs. Like I said, no need to boop here. So we did flip bearish now. Now I'm waiting for the retest. Basic. You see no magic indicators, no magic sauce, no magic nothing. Just market structure. A little bit of fib there and there, but that's pretty much it. Market structure, price action. You know. Let's go back to NTD CAD, which is giving me some problem here. Still sitting on 7 pips profit. Blah, boring. But so far, which is pretty good. The only thing I don't like is this 4 hour actually right now. This 4 hour candle broke previous low, which is I don't like. Uh, with a huge ass rejection to the upside. I don't like that. So this, I'm gonna let it play out. It's either I get stopped or I hit my TP on that one. I'm not gonna manage it. I'm just gonna let it play out. I accept the risk. I'm going for 3.3 RR here. So man, 22 likes. Can we hit 25? Can we hit 25? I like 25. Can we hit 25? 25 likes. Come on. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hit 25. 3 more. Come on. We can do that. If you didn't smash the like button, please do so. We're trying to build back the audience here after a huge break. No, I'm repeating myself, but need your help, guys. Maybe that next week I'm going to start giving away some shit. So make sure to tune in. Maybe some merch, maybe some discount code for the course. I don't know. We'll see. Probably going to start giving away some stuff. Bring back the excitement. Yeah. All smash. Yeah, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Very appreciate it. Thank you. Are you still with a prop firm? No. No, well, I mean, I tested some prop firm for my students, but the only time I was with the prop firm was with Funding Talent. And after that, I just been trading my capital. I had the chance to add my own capital since day one. So this was pretty good. But yeah, actually give a try to. I do suck at, honestly, no joke. I suck at challenge. No fucking joke. I suck at challenge. My problem is I start trading like when I use a challenge, I start trading like completely differently. I don't know what's going on with my mindset when I do a challenge. I'm a dumbass, just like since it's not like real money, I start acting super weird and super dumb. So yeah, no. I might give it a try another time. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, no, lately, no. I did pass the which one was it? The MFF. Yeah, I did pass that one. Um, took some profits, closed it because I was mostly that was at the beginning of MFF when I was testing it for some students. But that's about it. So I'm only training my own capital. My money, I worked hard for it, so I'm pretty tight with it, and I act exactly how I should be acting. The only thing that I'm actually, in all honesty, the only thing that I'm actually sometimes upset about myself is since I'm super tight with my money because I worked hard for it. Um, I don't risk enough. I should risk a little bit more, which is the completely opposite. When I do a challenge, I start acting super dumb and going all out, you know? So yeah. Yeah, I did sold one of my businesses in December 2017. So I had the chance to have like a pretty good capital. Let's see here. 80 news at 4 p.m. Yeah. Well, 4 p.m. the day is gonna be mostly closed. You know, it's gonna be closed like an hour later. So, is that 4? That's a weird time. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, you're right. That's right at the close of the session. So, man, holy. So, when market's gonna open like at 6, watch out. There's gonna be some gaps. Major spread for sure. Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. Major, major. What time is it at now? 8:46. 8:40. Okay. Can we do a dogtail setup on 4 hour? No, we can't. We can't. We are in a range. Um, yeah, we're in a range. We can do this. Yarek, your best trade in the last 3 months? That would be the one on January 31st. Oh, I should journal that one. I should journal that one. That was dope. That was like a 9 to 1, I think. But the most recent one would be the one from yesterday. It was a 8 to 1 RR. This was my second best. I'm gonna break it down on Thursday night. Actually, if you want to watch my stream on, I did on December 31st. I did a special live explaining that trade that I'm talking about, like my biggest R. I think it was a 8 to 1. When I'm thinking about it, it might be equal those two. I'm gonna have to check back again. But yeah, this trade right here, this one hit TP yesterday. So this one was pretty dope, and I'm gonna break it down on Thursday night on Forex Talk Over Beer. So you want to make sure you tune in Thursday night. So this one my second best. Yeah. Well, this one are my best RR, but not the one with I had the most money. Because scalping, sometimes I went like super heavy. I think that one gold trade I remember was pretty dope. It was a scalp, but man, I went a little hard on it, and whew, it did pay out pretty well. So yeah. So far scalping, I did more money as we speak. Because again, swing for me, it's still a process. Only been doing it for a couple months, but I think I'm yeah pretty solid now. But still a lot of things to learn, you know. And huge shout out to Alex again. You know, I'm not here to say I learned by myself and this is my strategy and whatever the fuck. But I did went to see Alex. Give me one sec, guys. Yeah. So like I was not good at swing trading, so I went to see someone that was better than me. I think that should be like that in anything. Like if you want to play golf, is Uncle Bob's going to show you to play golf, or somebody that has success at golf that can show you how to golf, right? So same shit, you know, same shit. When you're stuck at something, go see someone. Don't. I mean, yes, you can try to solve it by yourself, and it's doable. It's just going to take more time. So if you have the opportunity to educate yourself and have some finance to do that, yeah. I personally invested more than 20K into learning Forex. I think I've been saying 20K for the past like 3 years, so it should be like at least 25K now. But yeah, I kind of lose track. But more than 20K to learn Forex. So I mean, someone that don't want to invest in themselves and are ready to invest in the market, for me, it just doesn't make fucking sense. It's just sorry for the F bomb. But yeah, it doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. Like you're ready to put money in the market into something you didn't learn shit except some free YouTube video. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. It's just like I'm not saying it's not doable, but it doesn't make sense, you know? So that's just my thinking. Maybe I'm totally wrong. I don't know. But this is just how I'm thinking. Man. So yeah, all right. Hopefully that answered your question. Let's see. Do we have any more question or pairs to look at? Man, we hit 27 likes. Let's go. Amazing. 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 Slowly, we're building back this audience, guys. One person at a time. One person at a time. Ole, 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 ole. All right. So right now, I mean, there's nothing right now. Just like I wish. I wish, guys. Don't get me wrong. I wish. But I'm not going to be here taking a random trade and just to show up, right? So I think it's the time. Let's go see last time into the cat. How's it going? We're up like 8.5 pips. 9 pips now. But nothing exciting. Nothing exciting. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna go train and get ready for some meetings. And yeah, so I'll see you on Thursday night, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. That was great. Unfortunately, we didn't have like a live trade, but let's cross fingers for next Tuesday. And again, don't miss out Thursday night. Again, I'm gonna break down my second biggest RR, and you definitely want to attend that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I can't wait to see you on Thursday night. Take care.